Boeing has dramatically accelerated its efforts to deliver the F-15EX Eagle II, with 90 aircraft currently progressing through various stages of assembly. This move marks a substantial leap forward for the U.S. Air Force, which is depending on these next-generation jets to reinforce its aerial capabilities amid rising global tensions. The company's revamped production process reflects a broader transformation aimed at enhancing manufacturing precision and reducing delays. Factory operations have seen measurable improvements thanks to focused efforts in cutting waste and minimizing rework. Tom Altamuro, who oversees F-15 production and safety at Boeing, notes that error rates and inefficiencies have been dropping steadily, enabling the plant to operate with greater rhythm and reliability. Central to these improvements is a new internal campaign dubbed "Cut the Cores," short for Cost of Rework and Rejected Standards. This initiative includes daily strategic sessions called Quality Power Hour, during which teams address quality issues before they can impact the line. The proactive approach has not only improved assembly speed but has brought production predictability to a program critical to U.S. defense readiness. The urgency behind this push is tied directly to the aging F-15C/D fleet, which is growing increasingly expensive to maintain and less capable of meeting modern threats. The F-15EX, with its significantly upgraded systems and firepower, is a timely and necessary replacement. The Air Force needs these jets deployed rapidly to ensure readiness across key theaters, from the Indo-Pacific to Eastern Europe. The Eagle II is no mere upgrade, it's a thoroughly re-engineered combat aircraft. Capable of launching more missiles than any other U.S. fighter, up to 12 AIM-120s, the F-15EX provides unmatched aerial firepower. Its suite of advanced sensors, radar, and electronic systems allows it to plug seamlessly into modern military data networks and adapt swiftly to emerging technologies. Designed with longevity in mind, the jet features an open architecture mission system that facilitates the integration of new software, sensors, and even hypersonic weapons with minimal disruption. This makes it an agile platform, ready to evolve alongside future threats and warfare needs. Payload is another area where the F-15EX shines. With a carrying capacity of nearly 30,000 pounds, it supports a diverse range of munitions, giving commanders flexibility in combat scenarios. Its weapon systems are already set up to accommodate forthcoming innovations, keeping it at the cutting edge for years to come. Unlike stealth-focused jets intended for early strikes in high-threat zones, the F-15EX excels in endurance missions and sustained air operations. It delivers consistent performance, has a higher sortie rate than stealth platforms, and can be rapidly deployed. These traits make it ideal for defense roles that require long-term presence and fast turnaround. Operational efficiency extends to logistics and training. Because the F-15EX shares infrastructure and support systems with the older F-15C/D, the Air Force can introduce it with minimal additional investment. No major changes are needed to training programs, bases, or maintenance networks, allowing for faster adoption and cost-effective modernization. As Boeing continues to refine its manufacturing pipeline, the F-15EX project is becoming a model for how legacy airframes can be reimagined for the modern battlefield. Its blend of proven reliability, cutting-edge systems, and future-ready adaptability positions it as a vital component of the United States air superiority strategy in the coming decades.